everyone. Good evening, MW family members and the friends, admirers who follow us on Instagram channel. We are here once again with another entrepreneur, a self-made woman in Instagram Live Series 2.0, and super happy to share that what you see I'm wearing is from her only. Yes, one of the best part of being an entrepreneur is that you get to meet lot many people. You increase your network, you meet the vibe, you meet the tribe which can vibe with you. And the best feeling is when your entrepreneur fellow friends are on the same journey, supporting you and looking forward to see you every Friday like you all wait. Such a blessing to know. So today we are meeting with the founder of Miraya the Fashion Vogue. What is Miraya and what is the Fashion Vogue? So we will get to hear this from the founder only, Aparna Nair. She'll be joining us very soon here. Before that, I would like to know how good you are feeling when you're watching Fridays for Future Instagram Live. We also share this live on our Facebook community, Facebook page. In fact, we share this on YouTube channel as well. So even if you miss the live session, you can always watch the recordings. So as you all know, these days festivities all around us, and we are super happy to have these days because these last 3 months we enjoy at Instagram having all entrepreneurs, small scale entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs who really want to do something good in their profession, also in the personal life. So yes, people who really want to do something, aim for something and get something are really ones who really want to make it for. I hope founder of Miraya is here. I would like to take her in this session and start this session without any delay. Yes, I'm so happy to see you all, and really means a lot when you guys wait for every Friday when we get messages that Friday is the day 7 p.m. when you are all set to meet us and praise all the entrepreneurs. So yes, this is something every entrepreneur really feel good about. I still cannot see Miraya here. I'm just waiting for her to join in. Once she joins, and any queries related to business what she is going to share today, I would like to tell you that 2 years ago Miraya was different, and this year Miraya is again different. How she is going to share, there she is. Prefer everyone to leave your comments or queries, whatever you have related to business, and whatever thoughts, doubts you want to know about starting the business.
Hi, Shalu.
Hello, Aparna. How are you, Aparna?
Fine. I hope the video is clear and you're able to see me.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Just set your camera a bit down.
Okay.
So that we can see more of you. Yes.
Okay. It's fine now?
Yes. Yes, yes, it's fine. How are you? First of all, it's been a year. You came in Instagram live series.
Yeah.
So how do you feel this year?
Really excited, a bit nervous, but I'm feeling really very good again to be back on Insta Live.
Yes. So it was like a year ago when Miraya was something else. The name was something else, and first of all, we would like to start with that only. Why the name change and what are the changes you felt throughout this year?
Earlier, the Miraya was known as Miraya Fashion Under One Roof. Now it's Miraya the Fashion Vogue. But the thing was like due to some Facebook and Insta issues, my Miraya the Fashion Under One Roof, that account got hacked. I was not able to log in. I tried many ways to retrieve it, but unfortunately was not able to retrieve the account. So I had to create again and another new account with a new name, but keeping that Miraya intact. And thus is in that way Miraya the Fashion Vogue came back again with a bang.
I'm surprised to know this, that you started from scratch again, right? This is what you're saying. Like you had to
Yes.
create a page. But today, when I see this Miraya, I see the same, the growth, the response. Of course, the product quality and everything you definitely take care of. You were telling me last year. The
Yeah.
growth is just amazing. How you managed to do it so fast.
No, the main thing the customers stay with me is the quality of product I offer. I
Hmm.
always stress on quality. And if
Hmm.
the quality is not good, I straight away say that I don't trust in the quality, so it's better not to buy. I straight away say if the quality is not good. So it's my main motto is providing a quality product. Even if the price is a bit a higher range, but still many customers say that my prices are still on a very lower range as compared to when they compare with other pages or other people. My prices are still at
Yeah.
very lower range. The
Hmm.
quality is the main motto of my
Right. I
business.
vouch on that, because I vouch on that. People may feel that I'm being biased to you and praising you and appreciating you every time. But trust me, guys, when I talk about Miraya, this makes me so proud, because the quality I have personally seen, because I have purchased many products, not only clothing, the accessories, the bags, shades, watches, whatnot. So yes, that quality part I really do appreciate. What I was feeling good about, that you were able to win the trust of your customers. You actually made it
Exactly.
happen in 1 year.
The trust, the trust factor is very important. Once the trust is lost, it's very difficult to gain it back again from the clients. And the
Hmm.
customers tend to lose the trust very easily. So we
Hmm.
have to keep our word. If I'm saying that if I'm providing you a good quality product, I have to mark my word, keep my by my word, and provide a quality product. And if any chance if there is any defect that comes, but it hardly comes. If it comes, I make it sure that I take it back and
Hmm.
the money is refunded, or it's replaced with a new one. But still, the chances are very, I mean, it comes at very few where I have where my clients have faced this issue, but I have taken the products back.
I guess this is because of you have direct manufacturers under you, so that the
Exactly.
quality check is done there.
Yeah, I for the saris or there are many. I directly deal with many manufacturers. So when we the one plus point with dealing with the manufacturers, we can do a quality check of our product. We
Hmm.
can work on the manufacturers because I deal only with those manufacturers who provide quality products.
Hmm.
There are many, you get n number of manufacturers of saris and all, but you can't trust on them. You have to be very careful while dealing with these manufacturers. So that is
Yes.
one thing I think. Yeah.
No, no. Go ahead. Go ahead. You think.
That is one thing I take care that I deal with only those manufacturers who provide with me a good quality product. And if at all, if there is any problem from their end, they are ready to take their product back.
Okay. So this is about your product. So definitely I'll jump to that, your Kanchivaram and that specialties of your saris. Will they come on that also? Before that, I want to ask how Miraya was born. From which background you come to? Your family have someone you have in your family, entrepreneur, business class, or somebody?
It's totally out of question because my family, no one is into business. The business word is totally, new for everyone because
Okay.
it's totally new. We all are from service background. My dad also was working in a private firm. My husband is also working in a private firm. So it's totally
Hmm.
new. I mean, I am the first one who is an entrepreneur.
That's
I
good. That's good.
Yeah, I actually was working with a bank that is Royal Bank of Scotland (RBS) as a dealer that is in the India
Hmm.
trading firm. I was working as a dealer for nearly 3 to 4 years. Then I had to
Hmm.
resign from my job when I got married, had a baby. So obviously
Hmm.
motherhood took a more priority, and my
Yes.
work
Yes.
took a backspace. So I had to resign from my job. So I was working with RBS as Royal Bank of Scotland. So basically,
So
I'm from a bank.
you are
Yeah,
happy. You are happy with your decision, leaving job and having now Miraya.
I am happy with my decision. I mean, earlier it was a bit this like sitting at home and doing nothing, but right now I'm happy with my decision, because when you are an entrepreneur, you have your own power to make your own
Yes.
decisions. But when you're working
Hmm.
under someone, there's a pull, a control over us to take decisions. We are not
Hmm.
able to take our decisions on our own. So there is a
Hmm.
bit restrictions here and there. I mean, you can say
Hmm.
more of many restrictions now. At the ease of
Hmm.
my this work at home and my
Hmm.
job, this business, I'm able to balance both my work also, homework, my home duties and all responsibilities plus my business. So I'm very happy with that.
That's good to know. So stepping into an entrepreneur era, I would say like a complete different field. Nobody in your family had this unique experience, so you took this plunge and you
Uh,
thought you can do it, and now you are doing it very well. I personally know that mommy's world for you, and we have seen many feedbacks. People praise you. So once you when you started contacting your manufacturers, how was it? Like it was a win-win situation for you and the buyers, or it took some time to take that flight of
uh,
entrepreneurship?
it took time. It took time. It didn't come in a day or in a month. It took
Hmm.
few months, or you can say a year, to settle down, to get a
Hmm.
proper bank, a proper customer base, because your business is such that you can't predict it. You can't get it in a day, and neither your income is same every month or whatever. There are days,
Yes.
even there are days now also. There are months now also where where the businesses are like low, little low. At times, I
Hmm.
do feel bad for that, but still, it
Hmm.
did take time. And whenever, when some people tell me about starting business, I always tell them the same thing. When if you are planning to start, have patience. You won't be
Hmm.
able to settle down so fast. You will get customers, but you have to maintain your patience
Hmm.
level also. डोंट से कि एक दिन में हो गया, नहीं आया, मेरे को कोई इंक्वायरी नहीं आ रहा है, कोई कुछ पूछ
Yes.
नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं होता इतना जल्दी, बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. टाइम लगता है
Hmm. I
सबके.
know. I know. So on that note, I would like to say, my dad used to tell me that any business, you start any business, it takes 3 years to settle down. Because
एग्जैक्टली.
the first year just आप अपना उसका सीड सिर्फ डाल रहे हो, दैट इज जस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर. सेकेंड ईयर आप उसको प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो कि वो लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है, और थर्ड ईयर व्हेन इट इज रेडी, आफ्टर दैट इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट गिविंग यू द रिजल्ट. So yes,
या
3 years. How many years you have been into your business?
It's 2019 I started that through it's Mommy's World was my inspiration. If I hadn't joined Mommy's World, मैं कभी business में आती नहीं थी. I
अरे
mean, वो
बाप रे.
सोचा भी नहीं था business का. It's all because of coming to Mommy's World that I have become an entrepreneur. The first
Hmm.
credit goes to you and Mommy's World, for you and me. Because वो
Hmm.
entrepreneur का जो कीड़ा है वो इधर से ही लगा है. जो
That's
बिल्कुल,
I
जो
am
बिल्कुल.
very happy to see Aparna every time when I meet someone, not only in Friday's Instagram live, but even when people tell me that they've been following other mompreneurs and then they decided to become an entrepreneur. That's something really good because they decided to हमें करना है, अपना कुछ करना है. We really want to start because अभी कैसा है कि ठीक है, हस्बैंड से तो मिल ही रहा है, और whatever we have in our as in pocket money, but taking this step is something really good and not leaving it behind. कभी भी low नहीं होना, that is something we all should keep
Yeah,
in mind.
never
अब
giving
आप ये
up.
बताइए, yes, never giving up attitude. तो अब आप ये बताओ कि जो आपके स्टफ है, आई स्पेसिफिकली पता तो बहुत सारा है, आप बहुत सारे में डील करते हो, बट व्हाट इज द स्पेशलिटी? आई वांट टू नो द साड़ीज वन. और
Saris
इफ यू हैव
में
समथिंग हैंडी, if you
I
have something
have,
handy, you can show.
yeah, I do have a few saris. The dress that I'm wearing is from Miraya, from my own this. I guess
Okay,
if you're
so
able to do it,
you can shift your camera up. That's okay. Good,
yeah.
good. That's pretty. The color suits you well.
Thank you for that. See, this is one sari. It's actually a semi-silk sari,
Okay.
navy blue color.
Hmm.
Mainly,
Okay.
I deal in this type of saris. This is a silk sari, you can say. It's a very pretty color actually, and it's very lightweight
Hmm.
because silk hair,
That's nice.
semi-silk hair, it's pure semi-silk, so it's lightweight.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
then I can show you. This is a linen one. ये लिनन का साड़ी है, if you
Okay,
can
so
see.
you deal in all quality
In
of
every
sarees.
fabric, yeah, in every fabric,
All fabric.
each fabric, all fabric of sarees. From the range is also, I mean, reasonable. जो 300 400 से start होता है, 400 500 से लेके it goes up.
हाँ.
Because Kanchipuram silk sarees, as the silk quality increases, I mean, if you want a good quality, the rate also increases. So to the higher range, 20 25 तक सब आराम से I have the sarees at that cost also.
Aparna, I believe the sarees were the first, I guess, you entered with. Miraya
Yes.
started with the sarees first, and
Yes.
gradually you started, started expanding into other products. So how did you realize that you should be keeping, such kind of a stuff that because see many people are selling bags, many people are selling the earrings. Like I bought this from you, so I know you specifically deal in pearl necklaces and the earrings. You have beautiful collection. I know that. But how did you decide it? Apart from sarees, you can start with this also.
Sarees mein the thing is the people usually wear sarees during festive seasons. या फिर
हाँ.
अगर कोई तो वहां पे थोड़ा आई फेल दैट आई हैव टू गो इनटू सम अदर दिस आल्सो कैटेगरी वेयर इन ड्रेस मटेरियल्स जो हो रेडीमेड पीपल
हाँ.
प्रेफर रेडीमेड ड्रेस मटेरियल रेडीमेड आल्सो रेडी टू वेयर बिकॉज वो स्टिचिंग का इश्यूज नहीं रहता है एंड इजिली रेडी
हाँ.
टू वेयर है तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है सो वैसे आई डिसाइडेड टू गो इनटू द रेडी टू वेयर ड्रेसेस आल्सो एंड देन स्लोली ग्रेजुअली फिर वो एक्सेसरीज में चला गया इयररिंग्स नेकलेसेस क्योंकि अगर साड़ी लिया तो मैचिंग नेकलेसेस और इयररिंग्स का भी डिमांड आने लग गया कि आपके पास अगर हो तो कैन यू जस्ट शो मी सो देन आई सेड व्हाई नॉट बिकॉज उसका भी डिमांड काफी है सो एंड
Okay.
देन आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड डीलिंग इनटू हैंडबैग्स क्लचेस तो वहां पे
Hmm.
शेड्स है क्लचेस है हैंडबैग्स एंड वॉचेस so it's like slowly,
Hmm.
slowly I started plunging in because इसका सबका market is very high. Shades
Hmm.
के लिए भी I mean any time कभी भी लेते हैं सब लोग. So
Hmm.
it's like I started going into other market, मतलब venturing into see the many more aspects. Plus I deal with bed sheets and all that, cushion covers, bed
Okay.
sheets,
Okay.
home decor
Okay.
के है. I deal with those also.
So, coming back again to sari, I remember I wanted to ask you this question. Maintaining a heavy sari is really difficult, especially in Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
When we know that we have spent around 4,500, 5,000 rupees on a sari, so how would you suggest people maintaining those saris which are really heavy and we take it out, सिर्फ occasions पे? At times
You
उन पे
know,
white fungus लग जाता है.
हाँ.
कैसे उनको मेंटेन करना चाहिए?
और बॉम्बे में क्या इश्यू होता है कि अभी ड्राई क्लीनिंग में हमें धूप में सुखाने को भी नहीं होता है बिकॉज
Yes,
फ्लैट्स में
हाँ,
रहते तो धूप लगता नहीं है अपने को
हाँ, exactly.
या तो मैं व्हाट एवर व्हाट आई से कि ड्राई क्लीनिंग करके रख दो एक प्रॉपर से एक क्लॉथ के अंदर बांध के रख दो एक कॉटन क्लॉथ क्लॉथ है बांध के रख दो तो फंगस नहीं पकड़ता है इफ यू
अच्छा.
प्रॉपरली एक क्लॉथ जो भी अच्छा सा एक क्लॉथ में बांध के रख दोगे साड़ीज तो अलग अलग साड़ीज आई मीन सेम क्वालिटी के एक इसमें ही रख देना तो बांध के रख दोगे हाँ फंगस नहीं पकड़ता है वैसे बिकॉज मेरे इतने सारे साड़ीज है मेरे और मम्मी के तो हमने वैसे ही किया है बांध के रखा है उसको तो
Okay.
एनी टाइम आप खोल के देखेंगे तो कोई
वो
इश्यूज
कितने
नहीं निकलता
अच्छा वो कितने भी इयर्स के बाद आप खोलेंगे तो उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है. इट्स नॉट डैमेज एट ऑल.
फंगस कुछ नहीं आता है बिल्कुल नहीं
That's good, that's good. तो अपर्णा नाउ अभी आपके इसके एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स क्या हैं? आपके पास रीसेलर्स हैं और आप कौन कौन से चैनल्स पर अपनी ये मिराया का आपने रखा हुआ है?
एक्सपेंशन के है कि आई हैव रीसेलर्स तो
हम्म.
है ही मेरे आई हैव टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ रीसेलिंग ग्रुप्स क्योंकि साड़ीज के ड्रेसेस के आई हैव डिफरेंट एंड फॉर बैग्स एंड शेड्स आई हैव मेंटेन्ड अ डिफरेंट रीसेलिंग ग्रुप and I am there anytime you all can contact me. I'm there on Insta mein I'm there. My page is there. In FB I'm there. I'm there in Twitter also. LinkedIn में भी हूँ मैं and under the name of Miraya the Fashion Work. So all these 4 channels here I'm available. So anyway, you can find me. I mean, you all can contact me. If anyone wants to contact me, you all can contact me on this channels.
Okay, so people, please remember the name is Miraya the Fashion Vogue. Please do not go with the previous name because it is changed
Yes,
now with the new account.
exactly. Please go with Miraya
Yes.
the Fashion Book. Miraya Fashion Under One Roof is not there due to the Facebook issues जो होता रहता है
Yes.
बीच बीच में.
Yeah. अपर्णा, आप जब आपने अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था तो ऐसी कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स आपने फेस करी हैं जो आप किसी को सजेशन देना चाहेंगे ऐसे लो पीरियड में, जब आपको लगा कि प्रोबेबली एक थॉट आया होगा आपको कि अब ठीक है, अब नहीं हो रहा है तो लेट्स फाइंड दिस अप, और अगर नहीं आया है तो कैसे आपको आगे जाने का लगा कि करना चाहिए?
ये स्टार्टिंग में व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड विद द एप्स के नाम नहीं लूंगी, but many people do buy from that. Starting में it went very well, I mean, but then quality issues started coming in, और customers के regular ये होने लगे कि the product is not good, it's coming back. So वहां पे एक लो पॉइंट आया था कि यार अभी मैं क्या करूँ, आई मीन उसके मतलब आगे क्या करूँ कि मेरे कस्टमर्स जाए नहीं, बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांटेड टू स्टे इन टू दिस बिजनेस. मेरे को करना ही था, कुछ भी करके मुझे मिराया आगे बढ़ाना ही था. सो वहां पे एक पॉइंट आया जहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा पीछे हो गई थी, बट देन अगेन वहां पे मैंने वो बंद कर दिया. एंड आई स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग. एफबी में जाके मैंने एक्सप्लोर किए, दूसरे पेजेस देखे कि वो क्या कर, मतलब कैसे कैसे प्रोडक्ट्स है उनके, एंड हाँ कहाँ से हो रहे वो नहीं पता चल रहा था. बट देन आई कुड सी वैरायटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स दे वर पोस्टिंग. So many groups are available in FB. Many FB groups are available जहाँ पे you get manufacturers directly जहाँ पे हम लोग contact कर सकते हैं. They have groups. तो वैसे वैसे करके I started getting those contacts, and वहाँ पे I got the contacts of the manufacturers. तो वैसे मेरे को products मिलने लग गए. And that is the way I only kept motivating myself कि नहीं अपर्णा, you shouldn't lose your confidence, आगे बढ़ना है. कुछ भी हो अभी किया है, पैर रखा है तो आगे बढ़ना है इसमें.
As if now the plans are that there is no looking back and you'll be continuing with this.
Yes.
Always.
No looking
okay. अपना एक बात बताइए, मिराया जब से आपने स्टार्ट किया है, लाइक यू सेड यू स्टार्टेड इन 2019, तब से लेकर आज तक में क्या डिफरेंस है आपके बिजनेस में? दैट इज वन थिंग. और टू, ऐसा कौन सा कुछ शायद लॉस हुआ होगा या प्रोबेबली होने वाला था बच गया, समथिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एनीथिंग जो
2019 से लेके अभी तक का अभी अपर्णा नायर मिराया द फैशन वो कोई नहीं जानता था. हु इज अपर्णा नायर? Aparna Nair was nobody. I mean, no one knew about me. But now, Mommy's World में I can vouch आपकी इसमें. I mean, there are people. Aparna Nair बोलेंगे तो जानते हैं. Miraya the Fashion Vogue जानते हैं. Now I have an identity of my own. People know me by my name. By उससे ज़्यादा proud, what I feel is they know me by the owner of Miraya the Fashion Vogue.
Yes. That's good.
So
that's a wonderful change. Yeah, huge difference. Wonderful change, a positive change rather. And make me super happy to know this that Mommy's World का भले थोड़ा सा ही सही है जो भी हाथ रहा है, and we were able to give you that kind of a platform जहाँ पर आप अभी भी कर रही हैं और आगे भी हुआ है, आप आगे करती रहेंगी. तो अब सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे, अगर ऐसा कुछ आपको गॉड फॉरबिड, भगवान ना करे कभी लॉस हो, पर क्या ऐसा कभी हुआ है, कुछ लॉस ऐसा हुआ है किसी कस्टमर की वजह से?
लॉस तो नहीं हुआ है. एट टाइम्स मतलब जब प्रोडक्ट खराब निकलता है बहुत कम, तभी लेना पड़ता है वापस. बट देन द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स डू टेक दैट बैक. तो लॉस वैसे नहीं हुआ है, नथिंग एट दैट. बट देन आई वुड लाइक टू से कि Mommy's World and you, Mommy's World for you and me का बहुत कम हाथ नहीं है, बहुत ज्यादा हाथ है आपको करेक्ट करने में मामले में, बिकॉज आइडेंटिटी मुझे मिला है इसी प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से.
That's good to know, Aparna, because I personally feel कि जितने भी मॉम्स हैं, जितने भी वुमेन हैं, अगर वो सब ये चीज सोचकर चल लेना कि हमें करना ही है, तो आई गेस उनको डिपेंड नहीं रहना पड़ेगा. बिकॉज पेंडेमिक ने बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजें दिखाई हैं, लोज एंड आप बहुत सारे देखे हैं पूरी दुनिया में. तो किसी की जॉब भी चली गई, किसी के बिजनेसेस बंद हो गए हैं. उस पीरियड में अगर एक एक थॉट यही रहा कि अगर किसी एक की जॉब चली गई है कपल में से और अगर दूसरी का बिजनेस अभी भी कंटिन्यू है, सो दैट इज अ ग्रेट बूस्ट and support for each other. Looking at
Exactly.
Miraya, what I really feel, the the moment you said कि आपने अपना वो पेज वगैरह सब खो दिया था, I when you also told me last time that कैसा हो गया है, that is something आप शायद वो बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट था कि आप टूटी नहीं, because
हाँ.
आपने वो I still remember you said Miraya is my baby and I want
Yes.
to do it once again. So listening these kind of things and keep when I motivate other people, they say कि हाँ मैम आपने ये बताया था और हमने ये कर लिया है, so that is something really good. एक बहुत अच्छी चीज ये रही कि ऑनलाइन बिजनेस होने में और फिजिकल बिजनेस होने में बहुत फर्क होता है. फिजिकली आप बहुत लोगों से मिल लेते हैं, वर्चुअली आप
हाँ.
नहीं मिल पाते हैं. तो वो जो ट्रस्ट मिराया ने गेन किया है अपर्णा, for that you really it's a commendable job.
Thank you.
That is
Thank you so
something I really appreciate you for that. I really wish कि आपका बिजनेस बहुत अच्छे से चलता रहे. और
Thank you.
आई वुड सजेस्ट ऑल मॉमीज वर्ल्ड फॉर यू एंड मी के मेंबर्स जितने भी हैं या जो भी फॉलोअर्स ये बाद में देखेंगे, लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग देखेंगे, अगर किसी को भी कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए आप प्लीज अपर्णा नायक को कॉन्टेक्ट कर लीजिए. बिकॉज
Yes.
जिस पेज पर मिराया चल रहा है, टच वुड, आई सी यू ग्रोइंग इन नेक्स्ट कमिंग 2 to 3 years where
Thank
you are sitting and there is no tension, no stress कि हाँ आज बिजनेस नहीं हुआ है तो ठीक है चलेगा, like that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Even I would like to say that anybody who is willing to start a reselling business, you all can contact me. But then one thing I would like to say कि reselling the business time लगेगा. So if you have patience, then only you have to come into this business. Patience is the main motto. Patience तो चाहिए, patience के बिना होगा नहीं. So please have patience. That business आएगा, business बढ़ेंगे. Trust, you have to gain the trust of your clients. वो भी है. So I'm ready to help anyone who is willing to start the reselling business.
Wonderful. So, Aparna, everyone who is watching right now, praising you and giving you best wishes for your business. And
Thank you.
people are ready to contact you. If somebody is going to ask me, I'll definitely going to share your contact.
Yes.
For everything else, please search Miraya the Fashion Vogue on all the platforms. Like Aparna said, business start किया है तो उसे पूरा करके ही खत्म कीजिए, क्योंकि रुकिए नहीं. Don't give up.
Yes.
All right, Aparna, it was nice having you sharing
Thank you, Shani.
today's live.
It was really, I'm really happy to be back again to this Insta Live. I was really very happy. Thank you so much for calling me once again.
My pleasure, my pleasure. It was indeed good to hear your journey and sharing with others. Keep rocking.
Thank you.
Take care.
Yeah, bye, Shani.
Yeah, bye. Wonderful journey and inspirational, because there are very less people who leave their job and think that they can do a business, but they go back to their job. Why? Because business से उन्हें कुछ मिल नहीं रहा था. बिजनेस स्टार्ट होने में टाइम नहीं लगता है, लेकिन बिजनेस का रिस्पॉन्स आने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. दैट इज व्हाट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज ऑल अबाउट. अप्स एंड डाउन एंड पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द बिजनेस. तो सब लोग ये ध्यान रखिए, जो भी लोग बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, अगर आप खुद पर विश्वास रखते हैं और यू फील लाइक दैट यू कैन डू इट, please go ahead, don't look back. There are many people who are clapping for you. Look at them, not others who are not looking at you. I love you all. You take care. We'll see you next Friday once again when we have one more entrepreneur listening to her journey, a self-made woman, and indeed a proud moment to share the platform with these guys. I'll see you next Friday, 7 p.m. Fridays for future. Take care. Mommy's World for you and me. Love you. Bye-bye.